Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorials. In this video, I am going to discuss about PTSP problem. This is the previous examination question. The given example is in this year, in a single throw of 2 dice, what is the probability of obtaining sum of at least 10? Now coming to the solution. So we know that the probability of event A is number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of possible outcomes. So now here throwing 2 dice, the total number of possible combinations are the total outcome of the given experiment is 36. When 2 dice are thrown, the possible outcomes are therefore the sample space capital S is equal to 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2 and so on 6 comma 5, 6 comma 6. These are the possible outcomes are when 2 dice are thrown. So totally there are 36 possible outcomes. Therefore the total possible outcome is 36. Now here we want to calculate probability of getting sum of at least 10. So next calculate the number of favorable outcomes. Now here what are the favorable outcomes? Sum of at least 10. Sum of at least 10 means getting some 10 or more than 10. So out of these 36 possible combinations, getting some 10 combinations, getting some 11 combinations and getting some 12 combinations. So that are at least sum of at least 10 combinations are 6 comma 4, 5 comma 5, 4 comma 6, 6 comma 5, 5 comma 6 and 6 comma 6. So these are the number of favorable outcomes of sum of at least 10 combinations. So therefore the favorable outcomes are totally 6. Therefore the probability of getting sum of at least 10 is number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of possible outcomes. Now here the favorable outcomes are 6 and the total outcomes are 36. Therefore, the probability of getting that event. And what is that event? Getting a sum of at least 10 is 6 divided by 36 is equal 1 by 6.